Okay, I'm going to carry on. Hi, it's Nancy today. I see my reflection in the front. Oh, it's terrible the way it looks with my... Now I'm cold. I had to put my coat back on. That's where I've been sitting. One day I'm going to take you over into the marsh woods. Right now I'd have to go back up to the footbridge and then walk across. Walk all the way down. I think I'm going to continue to pack my snow down. Of course, if it's going to be freezing rain, it could be that all my snow will disappear anyway. My snow. You notice how I take ownership of everything in my world? Hey! Well, see, once your snowshoe starts falling off, it will keep falling off. It'll fall off all the time. Over and over and over again. I tie my camera to here, like that, so that if it falls, it won't fall out. You know, that's a good path right there. I should trot it down. This comes to one of my entrances from the road. I'm waiting for the deers to shed their antlers. I really don't take advantage of the marsh woods because there's water in it. I don't want to fall through. I think that is a black spruce. I think all of those spruce trees might be black spruces. See, this is where I came through to bring the chairs yesterday, or the other day. One day, Saturday it was, I believe. I like this spot. You see that? So here you get a clear view of the 4 fallen maples. 1, 2, 3, 4 cedars. I'm sorry, cedars. Each of them would make a good bridge. Take 2 of them. You know, I could make myself a really nice bridge here. Take all the things off the top. Put one beside it. Maybe there are 2 together. Let's just check it out. See, if I just need to cut all these off the top, and then I'd be able to get over there and just check things out. This is a bridge. This one goes all the way across. That would be a good one. And I could use these sticks that are coming off for the sides of my arbor. That's what I did on Ben's bridge. I got up on there and I cut all the branches off that were going vertical. You know, when I was in Athens, I would go every day and I would walk the Birchmore Trail. And if I make a path like this, I have my own trail then. I have to step far enough. I don't get the back of the snowshoe caught. See, there's the road up there. I should make myself a little pathway to the road. It's always been a problem how to get to the road from here, because there's so much tangle. So many tangles. There are so many tangles. This is all sedge. It's hard to walk on sedge in the summer. It's all bumpy. We'll just go right over this tree. Did I get you in the eye? No, I'm okay. Here we go. Where every girl always wanted to be. This is where I planted my willow. I have to go over there too. I should put seeds in all these cups. I have to go to pottery. I'm a little bit late. Like an hour and a half. 2 hours late. But it was good, wasn't it? It was a nice walk. I liked that nice walk. Did you? You were there for the whole thing. Of course, it'll take me days to upload all these videos. But the fires are so huge. Files, I said. What? Is it already time to go get the kids on the bus? Wow. That means it must be 1 o'clock. No, what time are they supposed to be there? At 2. I used to be a bus driver. I think you have to be in line by 2. It's probably just after 1. Wow. Okay, I'm going to leave you now. Don't cry. Bye.